Indefinite articles. What are the indefinite articles? So in Italian, the indefinite articles, meaning it's referring to an indefinite or unspecified object, are as follows. Okay, so for a masculine noun, we use un. For a feminine noun, we use una. For a feminine noun starting with a vowel, we use un plus an apostrophe. Okay, un plus an apostrophe. And for masculine nouns starting with an S plus consonant, Z, GN, SC, PN, PS, or X, we use uno. Okay, uno. That's kind of reminiscent of the definite article lo. Okay, it ends with an O. Okay, so for example, we have our same examples once more. C'è un treno. There is a train. C'è un treno because it is a masculine noun. It's a masculine singular noun because you don't use these with plural nouns. Okay, so it makes it a little bit easier. C'è una macchina. There is a car. Okay, once again, feminine noun. C'è un'enoteca. There is a wine shop. Okay, un plus apostrophe because enoteca starts with a vowel. And c'è uno studio or uno zaino. There is a studio or backpack. Okay, so we have uno, again ending with an O because it's starting with one of these strange little consonants here. Okay, studio and zaino. How many forms of indefinite articles are there? Well, there's 4 forms. When in doubt, stick with un and una, okay, un and una, as they are the most common forms, okay, because most of the nouns are going to be masculine or feminine rather than, all these guys here. So you should learn all 4 of them, obviously, but if you're in doubt, then just go with un or una, and you're more likely to be correct.